Welcome to TLH Patterns. I am Pradeepa. In this video, I'll show you how to crochet a pretty purse or a little bag to carry a mobile phone and a few small things around. It's about 19.5 centimeters wide and 18 centimeters high. I used medium worsted weight yarn in two colors, red and orange, and along with it I used a 4 mm crochet hook. You'll also need a button and a yarn needle. I'm starting with orange. Red is the color that I'm going to use for the shell stitch row. With orange, make a slip knot and make 32 chains. We'll start the first round. Make a single crochet in the second chain from the hook. Place a stitch marker in the first stitch and work single crochet in rest of the chains except the last one. Now I have reached the end of the chains, and in the last chain work 3 single crochets. Now work single crochet in the next 29 chains from the other side. Then work 2 single crochets in the next chain. Work a slip stitch in the first single crochet to join. You'll have 64 stitches. Now let's start the second round. Make 1 chain and work single crochet in the first 6 stitches. Then 3 chains. Skip the next 2 stitches and work single crochet in the next 6 stitches. Three chains. Skip 2 stitches and a single crochet in the next 6 stitches. Repeat this around. At the end of the round, join the last 3 chains with a slip stitch to the first single crochet. Cut the yarn off, and for the next round I'm going to use the red yarn. I'll be joining it into the previous chain 3 space. So pull the new yarn through the chain 3 space and now work 3 chains. This will count as the first stitch, and then work 9 double crochets into the same space. So now totally you have 10 stitches including the starting 3 chain. Then in every chain 3 space work 10 double crochets. Finally join with a slip stitch to the top of the 3 chains. Now cut the yarn off. Now join the next color in the 4th stitch. The 3 chains will be the first stitch. Skip the next 2 stitches and then in the 4th stitch join orange, make a chain and work single crochet in 4 stitches. First single crochet will be made in the stitch where you joined and then make 3 more single crochets. Then make 2 chains and work a double crochet in the space between the 2 shells, and then make 2 chains, skip 3 stitches and work single crochet in the next 4 double crochets. Repeat this around, make 2 chains and then work a double crochet between the 2 shells, 2 chains, skip 3 double crochets and work single crochet in the next 4 double crochets. Join the last 2 chains with a slip stitch to the first single crochet. Next is round 5. Use the same color, chain 1 and work single crochet in the 4 single crochets. Then make a single crochet in the next chain 2 space, 3 chains, single crochet in the next chain 2 space, single crochet in the next 4 single crochets, single crochet in chain 2 space, 3 chains, single crochet in the next chain 2 space, and then single crochet in the next 4 single crochets. Repeat this around. Finally, join with a slip stitch to the first single crochet. Then cut the yarn off. We'll be joining the next color. Join red in the next chain 3 space. Pull the yarn through the space and then work 3 chains, which will count as the first stitch, and then work 9 double crochets in the same space. Then work 10 double crochets in each chain 3 space around. At the end of the round, join with a slip stitch to the first stitch and cut the yarn off. Next is round 7. Join the next color in the 4th stitch of the next shell and repeat round 4. So you'll be repeating rounds 4, 5 and 6 3 more times, and then you'll repeat rounds 4 and 5 once. I have finished with a repeat of round 5. For the next round, make 1 chain and work single crochet in each stitch and 2 single crochets in each chain 3 space around. You will have 64 stitches. Then work a round of slip stitch in each stitch around. Cut the yarn off and weave in all the loose ends. To make the strap, I'll join yarn at one end and then make chains long enough for the strap. When you have made enough chains, join it to the other corner by working a single crochet. Then work slip stitch in each chain until the other corner. When you have reached the other end, cut the yarn off and weave in the loose ends. Sew a button to the front and then join yarn right behind the button at the back and make a loop by working chains long enough to go around the button. And then join it with a slip stitch to the same stitch or the next stitch from where you started. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please give me a thumbs up if you liked it. Please subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thank you.